That's what the ambush was. Wow.
Wow, that's amazing. I wish I could be in there right now. Huh? The crane operators just free falling down.
Yeah. Give me a ticket again, huh? They all be changing their clothes when they got to the bottom. That bucket be full of shit. And that's not an approved. That's not an approved man.
And a worker is riding it too. It's not just the fire department.
Wow, video of that thing will be on TV tonight. Send it to Eyewitness News, baby.
Yeah, send it to DOB. Hey, that's not a certified platform.
Right.
You'll never forget. Your never-ending story begins at visitorlando.com.
This is a lot shorter than the line for coffee. The music's back in less than 90 seconds.
On 95.
Yeah, that's a cool ride to go down, though, man.
That's a once-in-a-lifetime ride.
Yeah. You don't get that.
We need somebody to volunteer to die so we can ride the box down. Danny, he's dead. He can pass for dead.
Yeah, Danny. We gotta call the fire department. We got Danny dead up here.
That makes my voice sound cool.
Then I get to ride the box down. But that guy must be laying down in there, huh? Because I don't see anybody.
Call 1-800-SPRINT1 or visit sprint.com/unlimited. Savings until 6/30/18 at $60 line $1, $40 line $2, and $30 line $3. Monthly sales taxes, surcharges, roaming streets.
Oh, they're landing him in the garbage can.
That's it. He's dead. Gonna go to a dumpster anyway.
Oh, I see the guy laying. Now you can see it since it's low.
Uber using just your regular driver's license and personal vehicles. Visit uber.com/NY for details.
I think the hoist would have been quicker than that.
The hoist is 8 floors below.
Oh, the hoist is 8 floors below?
Right.
That's why they did that. Oh, they land them in the garbage container.
Using your New York State driver's license and your personal car. Sign up.
So let's get rid of the body.
That's it. Next, fill up that dumpster.